Good morning and welcome to your Wallops weather briefing. Well, we've got some beautiful conditions out there today. Abundant sunshine and temperatures that will be above normal for us as we go into your Tuesday, and we're going to see beautiful conditions continuing as we go into the afternoon and through most of the day tomorrow as well, before we see our next system bring the chance of some rain by Thursday. Looking at conditions yesterday, we saw temperatures generally running in the 50s for daytime highs, 58 degrees. The daytime high here at Wallops, Newport News, and Richmond both coming in with 58-degree readings as well. Everybody else generally running in the low to mid 50s for their daytime high temperatures. Overnight last night, temperatures falling in the 30s and in the 40s for most locations. One exception was in Baltimore, getting down to 27 degrees. Wallops saw a overnight low temperature of 38 degrees. Over the last 24 hours, we saw trace amounts of precipitation for many locations, including Wallops. The highest precipitation total was found at Richmond at 300ths of an inch. As of 9 a.m., abundant sunshine throughout the region and temperatures generally running in the upper 40s to around 50 degrees. We were at 48 degrees under sunny skies here at Wallops. Looking at our sounding information from this morning's balloon release, we find the freezing level at 3,900 feet, and our winds generally out of a northeasterly direction at the low levels of the atmosphere, coming northwesterly in direction as we go up in height, where we see a west-northwest wind at 61 knots at the 25,000 foot level. Current surface analysis shows that broad area of high pressure beginning to make its way toward the east coast, and will be right over top of the Delmarva Peninsula later this afternoon. As a result, we're going to see continued sunny conditions and light winds as we go through the day today. And we'll take a look here at radar, and you can see really no precipitation in the area and none expected over the next 24 hours or so as that high pressure continues to dominate our weather. Looking at the satellite, much the same with mostly clear conditions. Really no cloudiness anywhere to be found really in our area this morning, with just a little bit of cumulus cloudiness well off to the southeast of your satellite image here, but we'll see maybe a little bit of high-level cirrus cloudiness later on this afternoon, but for the most part we will see mostly clear skies continuing through the day today. Looking at our forecast map, high pressure in control through the afternoon today and into the evening hours tonight, with mostly clear skies expected. Then we'll start to see a bit of a southwesterly flow develop as that high pressure moves off the coast, and that will bring in a little bit of moisture for some more cloudiness in here for Wednesday. As you can see, by Wednesday morning, some of that cloudiness beginning to make its way closer to the region from the southwest, and we'll see mostly cloudy skies for the most part on Wednesday. And then our next system bringing the chance of some rain showers by late Wednesday evening. And into Thursday, we'll see the rain shower activity continuing. By Thursday evening, things will really start to get interesting as an area of low pressure will develop off the coast. It does look like it's going to be far enough off the coast that we're really not going to see the heavy precipitation totals here at Wallops. But what we will see are some strong winds developing late Thursday night into the day on Friday and continuing in to the day on Saturday, as high pressure builds in from the west and this area of low pressure kind of gets blocked by an upper level ridge off to its north. We're going to see the pressure gradient remain pretty tight Friday and Saturday, and see some winds possibly up as high as 45 miles per hour during the day on Friday, and then still remaining gusty during the day on Saturday. But it does look like our highest wind should be on Friday, again with possible gusts as high as 45 miles per hour. You can see by Friday evening that area of low pressure continues to move off to the east slowly, but we still could see a few lingering showers potentially by Friday evening. And as you can see, that pressure gradient with those lines of pressure pretty tight on our surface map here by Friday evening, so still going to continue to see the winds gusty at times Friday evening into the day on Saturday. So taking a look at the next 24 hours, we're going to have cool temperatures tonight with an overnight low temperature of 35 degrees under partly cloudy skies during the evening, and beginning of the overnight hours we'll start to see a little bit of an increase after midnight tonight with potentially mostly cloudy skies at the upper levels of the atmosphere by early tomorrow morning. As we wake up, we'll see about a temperature around 42 degrees at 8 a.m. on Wednesday. Winds will be fairly light throughout the remainder of the next 24 hours. Northeasterly winds will turn more southerly in direction later this afternoon, but not likely to see any winds up above about 10 or 12 knots throughout the day today, and then we'll see those winds dying down overnight tonight at around 3 to 6 knots. Your tides are currently running normal, and over the next 24 hours we're going to continue to see BFR conditions with mostly just those high-level cirrus clouds building into the area late this evening into the overnight hours. For Wednesday, we're going to see mostly cloudy skies, pleasant conditions, a daytime high of 57 degrees, and for Wednesday night, looking at an overnight low of 46 with the chance of a few rain showers beginning in the Wallops region late Wednesday night into early Thursday morning. Thursday, we'll see rain showers likely, and we'll see cloudy skies throughout the day with fairly light winds throughout most of Thursday, but by late Thursday evening into early Friday morning, that's when we'll start to see our winds really increase quickly as that area of low pressure develops off the coast, but probably won't be until about midnight Thursday night into Friday morning before we see those winds begin to ramp up. Looking at the next 7 days, again, most of your rain activity will likely be on Thursday with just some scattered showers on Friday, as that area of low pressure does appear that it will be far enough off the coast to not really give us heavy rain showers on Friday. We'll continue to monitor the exact positioning of that low for the rainfall totals that we expect on Friday, but at this point not expecting anything real heavy for the end of the week as far as rain goes. The big story will be the windy conditions as that low really starts to deepen off the coast on Friday. So again, could see some wind gusts up to around 45 miles per hour on Friday, and continued gusty on Saturday with winds dying off a bit during the day on Saturday, but still could see some winds gusting up to 30-35 miles per hour during the day on Saturday. As we go into the later portion of the weekend and into the beginning of next week, looks like we'll see some pretty tranquil conditions for us. High temperatures right around 50 degrees under mostly sunny skies. That'll wrap it up for today's weather briefing. We'll be back again tomorrow at both 8:15 and at 10 a.m. Have a nice day.